This month's Scentsy is getting us a jump on the fall fragrances. So if you want to see what Scentsy has in store for us this fall, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm hanging out with Bandit and Kinsey, and Chloe's on vacation. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay, and we hope you love Scentsy. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I do get the Scentsy Whiff box from my consultant, Stacy, and I've got her information down below. So if you're interested in checking out Scentsy, please give her a check out. She does have a Facebook store that you can actually just purchase products directly from. You don't have to be part of a party, or you can pick up the Whiff box, which is a great way to try different products. So all I did was peek inside to see the theme, and it is a jump into fall fragrances. So we have, because it's summertime, they've been packing our scent bricks in something to keep them from melting, which is nice. There's even a little ice pack in there, and then the ice pack is wrapped in something so it doesn't like sweat all over your product. We have 2 scent bricks in some nice fall colors. One of them is Pistachio Woods, and the other one is Spooky But Sweet. And look, there's little ghosts on there. All right, so let's take a sniff. I love pistachio. Let's take a sniff. Ooh, yeah, I like that. Oh, it's making me feel like making some pistachio cookies. The dogs think it's food. The Kinsey's head just popped up. Ooh, that's nice too. It's got like a little bit of a woodsy smell, but also like a candy corn kind of, I don't know. It's got like a little sweetness, but a little darkness. The other products we have a Cherries Jubilee scent pack, and I love to put these in different drawers or hang them in the closet or in the car. That's got a really nice scent. We have a Snowberry. These go like they have these little things that you put them in. They're like fans, and so they blow the scent. Ooh, that's really nice. Yeah, I like that. So we do have like a tropical one, and I don't know, I may be forced to buy a fall one, mainly because I love olive fall. We have some hand cream in pink coconut. Oh, that's nice. It's like a very light coconut. And we have some counter cleaner in the scent Ocean Air and Coconut Water. So I'm a little confused about coconut being in with their fall scent, so that's definitely a summer scent to me. I would have liked to see like a pumpkin spice or an autumn woods or a cinnamon type scent. I don't know, but I'm sure it smells great. But this isn't really like a fall scent, nor is the hand cream, so I'm a little confused about that. But the other scents are certainly nice fall scents. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? I think it's a great way to sample all of the different products that Scentsy has, and so I really enjoy getting it. And thank you, Stacy, for being my consultant, so I can get this every month, and you can go on and get it too if you like, or just try one of their products, or if you just need some more Scentsy bricks that you can use in your Scentsy, or really any tart warmer you have. I do have a Scentsy one. And one of the things I like about the Happy Wax is the little silicone cup. So in those Scentsy ones, you can get like I have like some little mini silicone, like they're not cupcake because they're really small. They came in like this bento box, lunch box set that I got for Chloe. And they're real small, and they fit perfectly so that you can't see them, unlike the big cupcake silicone cups. But this is just a little short one. And I like to put that in there, and that way when I'm done with the scent, I can easily pop it out of the silicone cup and then put a fresh scent in. So try that with any of your tart warmers, so that you're not having to worry about kind of scraping out any of your scents when you're ready for a new one. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It's totally free, but would mean so much to us over here. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.